Ever just feel a bit dirty? On your skin? You may shower every day, cleanse your face, and exfoliate, but sometimes it just isn't enough. When you get to this point, it's time to give your body a deep clean. It will reset your biological cleaning processes and help you stay clean in the future. These steps can be done by anyone who has a bathroom and a couple of towels. The method cleans out your pores, takes away dead skin, and imbues your skin with moisture to protect and repair. A deep clean is a great way to relax and take care of yourself. Set aside some time on the weekend, perhaps, and give yourself a good treat. If you want to find out how to completely cleanse your body and get a healthy glow, click through this gallery today. First, it may be good to understand why you feel dirty. Go through your daily routine and see if you can spot any trends that could be making you feel gross. This could range from not having the right kind of deodorant to not washing your bed sheets enough. When deep cleaning, you need to understand that there are different kinds of dirt. The first is the most visible kind that is all around us in the form of visible muck. The second kind is dead skin. It is everywhere. Frighteningly, 80% of the dust under your bed is dead skin. Unless you regularly clean your skin properly, it accumulates and can make you feel grubby. The third is oil. Oil is actually good as it moisturizes and protects the skin, but too much causes spots and an unpleasant texture. Yet cleaning too often could lead to oil overproduction because the body feels it has to compensate for the removal of natural oils. To reset your body and clean all three kinds of dirt out of your system, you can follow these steps. 7 days before you plan to cleanse, make a meal plan to ensure you eat healthily. It is important to do this to regulate your hormones. Your skin will clear up and the deep clean will have a longer-lasting impact. Generally, stick to whole grains, vegetables, lean meats, and fruits. Steer clear of alcohol, high-sugar foodstuffs, and saturated fats. If you have exercise planned for your week already, great. If not, before the deep clean, try and exercise at least 2 to 3 times in the preceding week. Breaking a sweat will purge the body of toxins and get it ready for the cleanse. When you do exercise, ensure that you shower immediately afterward so that your pores don't get clogged with oil and sweat. You want to wash it off to carry away the toxins. Also, drink at least 2 liters, half a gallon of water per day. In order to kickstart your biological cleaning processes, do not use shampoo or conditioner the week before the deep clean. It may look a bit oily, but you can wash it with warm water and it should be fine. It's good to do this so that your hair starts cleaning and repairing itself. For this self-treatment, you will need 3 towels, a bowl for your feet, some oats, an old sock, an elastic band, a chemical exfoliator, natural honey, eucalyptus oil, a bath, a shower, coconut oil, good quality shampoo and conditioner, natural soap, argan oil, moisturizer, and an exfoliating glove. If you don't have some of these items, don't worry, you can just leave them out. First, get a towel and make it steaming hot by soaking it in water and putting it in the microwave. Or make it wet with boiling water. Get the bowl and fill it with hot water. Then add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Many dermatologists much prefer chemical exfoliants to grainy pastes because they do a better job of cleaning the skin. The Ordinary brand does a particularly good peeling mask. But if you do not have a chemical exfoliant, just leave it out of your treatment. Place your feet in the bowl of water and let them soak, all the while taking deep breaths in and out. The eucalyptus oil will flow through your sinuses and unblock them. Maybe keep some tissues handy to blow your nose. Place the hot, steamy towel on your face, similar to this image. The heat will open up your pores for cleaning. Stay like this for 8 minutes. Honey is an underrated skincare product. It is fantastic for moisturizing and reducing inflammation on the skin. When the time is up, wipe off the chemical mask and put the natural honey on your face and neck. It'll be sticky but well worth it. Then, get your soap and give your feet an extra good clean. We often neglect to look after our feet properly. Scrub in between the toes, under the nails, and on the balls of your feet. Dry your feet thoroughly and start running a hot bath. While the water runs, put the oats into the old, clean sock and tie it at the end with the elastic band. It's essentially a homemade natural bath bomb. Oats are also very underrated. They are fantastic for soaking up excess oil and treating problems such as eczema and acne. Oats contain the compound saponin, which helps clean the skin. Put the sack of oats in the bath and hop in yourself. Swirl the oats around, it will smell a bit like porridge. Dunk your head under to get your hair wet. When your hair is soaked through, reach for your towel and dry it a little bit. Then get your coconut oil and smear it from your scalp to the ends. You can apply it liberally, as it will only be left in for less than an hour. At the end of the day, this deep clean is for you. Close your eyes and take a minute to appreciate yourself and think of what you are grateful for in your life. After 15 minutes, the oats will have done their magic. Sit up and grab your exfoliator. Don't be shy here, you really have to scrub to get the dead skin off. Your skin should be soft so the dead layer will come off easily. Rub your whole body. Bath time is over, and now it's time for a rinse in the shower to wash off the dirt that the oats extracted. Use warm water. To get rid of the oil in your hair, shampoo and condition your hair with your natural products. To rid your scalp of dead hairs, you can also brush your hair in the shower. When you're done, turn the water to cold to close up your pores. Gently pat yourself dry with clean towels. Your skin will be delicate because of the exfoliation, so be gentle. If you have one, use any kind of soft brush and run it over your skin. This is not necessary, but it will ensure that there aren't any dead skin cells lingering on your body. You have put your skin through a rigorous clean, so it is important to make sure it has enough moisture. Use a thick cream, preferably with natural ingredients, for your body and face. Rub some argan oil between your palms and stroke your hair. Try and reach all parts of your scalp. The oil will protect your hair after it has been stripped of its natural oils by the shampoo and conditioner. It is good to get into the habit of using hair oil after washing. Et voila, you should now be feeling like a new person. Relaxed and clean, now try to adopt some of the cleaning methods into your daily regime to keep the dirt at bay.